And so we're back, and so while the iPhone 4 is charging and coming up to speed, this iPhone 8 that I'm on now is charging and coming up to speed. So let's open this one, shall we? The iPhone 12. That's all the sort of relevant information, isn't it, on the back? But anyway, I'm going to grab some glasses and unbox this. Let's see if we can, and I'll go through all the steps of the setup from boxed and bought to see what happens when I introduce it to the stream. So it's designed by Apple in California, apple.com. It was assembled in India, which is brilliant. It's a product red. It includes an iPhone 12 and USB to C to Lightning cable. Power adapter and headphones sold separately. Supports GSM, UMTS, LTE and 5G, sub 6 GHz cellular technologies, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, near-field communication and GPS. Some capabilities are not available in all areas and depend on your wireless plan and service provider network. For LTE and 5G, see apple.com/UK/iPhone/cellular. Additional information at apple.com/UK/iPhone/compare. Requires wireless service plan, which may include restrictions on switching service providers and roaming, even after contract expiration. Apple ID for some features, internet access, acceptance of the software license terms at apple.com/UK/legal/SLA. Battery life and charge cycles vary with use and settings. Battery may eventually need replacement. 1 gigabyte equals 1 billion bytes. Actual formatted capacity less. Dear Ohm's law, or Billiohm's law, 1 gigabyte equals 1 billion bytes. Apple's EU representative is Apple Distribution International UK Limited. Holly Hill Industrial Estate, Cork, Ireland. Apple UK Limited. 2 Furs Ground Way, Stockley Park, Middlesex, UB11 1BB. Okay. It's an iPhone 12, red, 64 gigabyte. Let's open it, shall we? Oh, and then Apple Incorporated, 1 Apple Park Way, Cupertino, California, 95014 USA, 2020, Apple Incorporated, all rights reserved. Okay, let's see what they can do, 3 years old, huh? So, scalpel. I'm going in. Okay, Huey. Okay, flip-flop. Okay, flip-flop. I'm going in. First of all, I'm going in here. What's that then? Let's see. That's small, isn't it? Let's examine. It's like it's gift wrapped and sealed in a vacuum. Oh, I see. There's that green tear off tab. Let's tear this open then, shall we? And once you're in, now you've lost, Steve. Now you've lost. I don't know. I think I might have won. So we're in that way. There. I'll just slide that out. Voila. Let's take the lid off. Oh, that's a nice colour. What's it got? There's some cameras. There's a little flash unit there. And there's a little, oh, what's that? Oh, I see a tiny microphone unit on the back. So I think that's a microphone unit. That's torch and flash, and there's two dual cameras there. It's red. Well, it's sort of kind of red. Let's take it out and have a look gently. Oh, yeah. On the other side, it's a massive bit of white paper to explain where the controls are. So that looks like the on-off button, just here, and then down here. This has got a bell with a line through it, which means you can silent mode or switch it on to unsilent mode. Then you've just got volume, plus and minus. And then of course you've got Apple Incorporated, One Apple Parkway, Cupertino, California, 95014 USA. So good. Well, obviously I think I might have to peel this off, won't I? Well, and there's the screen. And to me that looks huge compared to, let's have a look at the 4. We can check the evolution of it here. Yeah, I mean, it's quite dimensionally, don't know if you can see this very easily, but it's very much bigger. Well, actually, it's not that much bigger, but it is bigger always around. I'd say it's about a millimetre, sorry, less than a centimetre, but not much less than a centimetre on the upper and lower edges. And that's never changed. That's probably almost a centimetre there. Yeah, I'd say it's a centimetre each end bigger. Anyway, evolution over the years. I'll just put this one back to charge again. That's it. On. The next thing to do is to put some electricity in it, probably. So what do we get here? A little package of designed by Apple in California for you, and a nice little USB lead. What I'm going to do is get an Apple plug and plug it in until it's charged. That's the best thing. I don't know if they come completely discharged or whether they leave a little bit in for overexcited kids to line up on, but I don't know. So we'll see. So I'll come back when I've done that. One moment, please. Well, about half an hour probably. I'm going to roll a joint as well and have a drink. So, aye, aye. Scruff dog, resistors.